Gratitude Journal Ideas, the Basics Revealed. Why should you practice gratitude? There are many reasons why you should practice gratitude. It not only makes you a happier person, but it also has an impact on your health. Practicing gratitude has been shown to improve the quality of life in general. It can help with sleep, stress, and mood disorders such as anxiety and depression. It also helps people find a sense of meaning in their lives by focusing on what they have instead of what they don't have. How does a gratitude journal help? A gratitude journal is one of the most powerful tools to have in your life. When you stop and think about all the things that you are grateful for, it will make your day better. One of the simplest ways to live a more fulfilled life is by documenting gratitude. We often underestimate the power of gratitude and how it can have positive effects on our well-being. Many studies have shown that people who practice gratitude have a stronger sense of purpose. 6 ways to implement a gratitude journal today. One, start by writing down 3 things that you are grateful for every day before starting your day. Expressing gratitude is a powerful way to build your self-esteem, become more optimistic, and enjoy better physical health. 2. Write down 3 things that went well each day and why they went well. This is a really simple and easy habit to get into. It might seem too easy, but it actually goes quite deep. Humans have a tendency to focus on the negative aspects of their lives, so it's imperative to take time to reflect on the positive. 3. Think about your family and friends, then write down their names. Your family and friends are the most important people in your life. They give you support, humor, and so much more. 4. Write down why you are grateful to have family and friends in your life. Family and friends are important for mental health and happiness. Studies have shown that people with a strong support system live longer than those without one. 5. Make sure that each person knows how much they mean to you. It is not always easy to remember that each person in your life has a special place in your heart, and you want them to know it. 6. Tell them often how much they mean to you. A simple email, text message, or comment on social media goes a long way. Using emojis to convey feelings and emotions is a fun practice. Examples of daily gratitude journal entries. 1. What are you most grateful for? I am most grateful for my favorite person in the world, who happens to be my son. 2. What is the best thing that happened to you today? It was when I felt really happy and content when my grandkids visited. 3. What is the favorite part of your day? I love waking up to the smell of coffee and feeling the cool morning breeze on my face. 4. Who or what made your day better today? Today, I made my day better by going to the library and reading a book. 5. When was the last time someone made you feel good about yourself? When my friend came over to remind me that she likes being around me. The top 5 benefits of keeping a gratitude journal. 1. Journaling helps you focus on the positive aspects of life. 2. Journaling improves your relationships. 3. Journaling makes you more productive. 4. Journaling will help you feel less stressed and anxious. 5. Journaling will help you sleep better. Gratitude journal ideas. Closing thoughts. Gratitude is a habit that can be continually cultivated, and it can also have a profound impact on your life. Gratitude is the feeling of appreciation or thankfulness for what an individual has. It's a positive mental state that leads to happiness and contentment. It is an emotion that creates a sense of connection and belonging in the world. Gratitude is about the quality of the moment. It's about being present with what you have and what you've received. It's about taking time to appreciate all that you have in your life, even when things are not going as planned or as you might like them to be. We have a gift for you. Go get it now in the description below. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and tap the notification bell too.